I think course management is really important at every stage of the game. It's important when you begin because you have to learn how to get the ball around the course and making sensible decisions when you're on the tee. You need to make sensible decisions when you're in the rough or you're out of position, and it can be absolutely crucial to helping you keep your round going. And then as you develop, and for myself when I developed to more of an elite amateur, again it became very important because it then becomes about one shot, two shots. You know, it's no longer about saving 5 or 6 shots, it's about saving that one shot that can mean the difference between you winning or losing or even making the cut. And having technology that can inform you about the numbers and the reality of what's going on the hole can really help you, because golf can become quite an emotional game, and when your emotions rise and it can take over, it can really bring you back down to earth, having something on your arm or by your side that can inform you of numbers and something factual that's not based on emotion about how I can then improve.